Jersey number 45, San Pedro, at jersey number 186, Matias. Pamalitan pala ni Mr. Saldero, si Mr. Tino. Okay, jump ball, Salazar between Matias. Tapikan na ako ni Mr. Hoson. Hoson, pass inside to Salazar. 2 points, Salazar. Gadong pass to San Pedro. San Pedro for 3. San Pedro, 3 points. Tibay, hindi masok nila rebound by Salazar. Salazar, hindi masok nila rebound by San Pedro. San Pedro making up. Natapigan na ako ni Gadong. Reverse 2 points, Gadong. Baluyot, 15 seconds. Baluyot, pass to Magtibay for 3. Magtibay, 3. Sandero, pull-up jumper. Pasa dito kay Matias. Pagkakop, foul. Foul, jersey number 227. First personal foul, first team foul. Nasa mo eh. Second row. Okay, make him go. Baluyot, pass to Magtibay for 3. Bang! Magtibay, 3 points.
Binitawan eh.
15 seconds. San Pedro bumawi ng 3. Masyado na sa rebound na ako ngayon ni Matias. Black ball. Si Mr. Magtibay ang nagpanalo sa laban nila ng Team Arwin eh. Baluyot cross. Baluyot. Nakuha ngayon. Baluyot pa rin. Hindi pasok nila rebound. Nakuha ngayon ni Matias. Matias to Babis. Matias derecho. 2 points. Matias. Coast to coast.
Bata pa.
Hoson, pass to Mangaranas for 3. Hindi masok tira rebound na ako ni Bustos. Bustos, pass to Saldero. Hindi masok tira rebound by Hoson. Hoson, pass to Baluyot. Baluyot, pass to Hoson. Hoson fakes. Hoson, pass to Baluyot. Pass to Mangaranas, pull-up chopper, short rebound na ako ni Bustos. Pass break to Saldero, all alone. Saldero, pass to Matias, 2 points. Hoson. Hoson, tumirang 3. Hoson, 3. Stare down pa nga. Gadong, 15 seconds. San Pedro, ini na rebound by Matias. Putak, hindi masok nila rebound na ako ngayon, Mr. Baluyot. Baluyot. Baluyot fires, 2 points. Baluyot. Saldero, pass to Bustos, 2 points. Bustos. Here comes Macaranas. Macaranas to Magtibay. Back to Macaranas. Wide open for three. Hindi masok din ang rebound by Gadong. Gadong pass break to Saldero all alone. Boy, Saldero. Pinagbibigyan mo. For three. Hindi masok din ang rebound. Nakakuha kayo ni Bosong sa ito ng Saldero. Saldero pass to Gadong. Gadong foul. Foul jersey number 69. Change. Mamaya pa. Kaya nga. Masuk ka muna. Second throw. Okay, make it both. Score na try, 13-17. 4-point lead for Team Brian. That's 5 minutes and 20 seconds to play. 15 seconds. Baluyot, pass to Magtibay. Magtibay, pass to Macaranas for 3. Wala, rebound na ako ngayon. Change by.
Layo na kaagad.
11 seconds to shoot.
Nag-aagawan pa lang ng bola, nasa kabila na eh.
Pumasok ng idol ng mga kids. Nakachok moral si Santano ngayon ah. Aquino. Pass to Manzano. 10 seconds. To Borromeo. Borromeo fires 2 points. Borromeo. Here comes Lopez. Pass to Gini. Pull up jumper. Hindi lang sa kanila rin. Baka nakakuha ngayon na break. There's some isa. Here comes De La Cruz. Pass to Angeles. Angeles. Pass to Lopez. Lopez, pull up jumper. Number 3. Rebound grabs by Aquino. Aquino. Pass to Sakai. Pull up. Hindi masang nila rebound by Angeles. Here comes Tino. Tino for 3. Too strong rebound by Abrina.
Patay.
Aquino 3 points. Score na try 18-17. In favor of Team Ranier. Pass inside to Lopez. Lopez up, traveling violation. Aquino, pass to Sakai. Sakai, pace. Sakai, back to Aquino. Aquino for 3. Number 3, rebound up. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 207, Sakai. 209 ka na, sorry.
Joseph, si Sarpi na. Ayan na, dyan na. Lapit ka na dyan.
Kimi ba sa tira rebound by Kimi. Pull up jumper, short rebound na kuha ngayon Mr. Abrina. Pass to Manzano. 1v1 situation. Manzano pass to Sakai. Intercepted by Lopez. Up, there's a reason. Foul jersey number 209. Second personal foul. Running for penalty. Kimi. There's 2 minutes and 50 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. Here comes Tino, making his move. Tino, pull up, short, rebound by Borromeo. Here comes Abrina. Abrina, pass to Aquino. Aquino drives, in and out, rebound by Angeles. Angeles, pass to Tino. 1v1 situation. Tino, nice pass to Kiming. Kiming fakes. Kiming, foul. Foul, jersey number. 3 seconds violation pa lang, tawag na rin. 3 seconds violation.
3 seconds si Pare Harvey.
Ito na si Abrina, napakabilis. Abrina to Sakay, floater, short, rebound by De La Cruz, pass to Tino. Tino, pull up chopper, wala pa rin, rebound by Manzano. Manzano, foul. Foul, jersey number 71, hit, 2 shots. Wala pa rin pumasok, rebound nakakuha ng Mr. De La Cruz. Pass to Tino. Tino, oh, there's a reset. Foul, jersey number 85. Penalty situation. Yun, nakabutas din. Second row. Hindi bumasok ang pangalawa, rebound by Sakay. Sakay, pass to Abrina. Abrina, pass to Manzano. Manzano to Borromeo. Masyadong lakas, rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Kiming to Tino. Tino, masyadong lakas tira, rebound na ako ngayon ni Mr. Aquino. Aquino, pass to Manzano. Manzano to Borromeo. 2 points, Borromeo. Score 99, 18-20. 2-point lead for Timberlake. De La Cruz, pass to Lopez for 3. Too strong rebound by Borromeo.
Pare, lapit! Pare, ay sarang dilo.
Wala, pasa.
15 seconds. Borromeo, 10 seconds. Sakay, hindi masang tira, rebound na Abrina, putback, foul. Foul, jersey number 17, hit. Lopez, first personal foul, second team foul. Dito masang Abrina. Okay, pumasok. That's 45 seconds. Tino. 15 seconds. Tino fires up, foul. Foul, jersey number 85, second personal foul, Abrina.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Akala ko kakain yung pansit. Uy, pengi daw pansit. Nasa likod niyo. Saan nyo gagamitin?
Didikit lang po si sir.
Pag di mo lang dinikit to ha. Ay, nakalakas ha.
Aquino. Abrina, pull up. Hindi ba nabasa ang rebound by Lopez. Pass up, foul. Foul, jersey number 122, penalty.
Ay, thank you.
Jumper! Jumper! Tatlo kayo dapat yan.
Hindi pumasok. Aquino, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Aquino, hindi pumasok tira, rebound na Manzano. 5 seconds. Manzano, hindi pumasok tira. Back to the ball game.
Titirahin mo pa yung pagkain ko ah. Titirahin pa ang aso, tumabi eh.
Aquino. Pass to Saldero.
Ako ka, hindi pa kami naghahapunan.
4-3. Hindi masuk tira ni Ramirez to Bustos to Gadong. Gadong pull up jumper. Number 3 rebound by Saldero. Saldero for 3. Saldero 3.
Rainbow shootout ah.
Gadong to Bustos. Bustos pull up jumper. Hindi masuk tira, rebound na kuha ngayon si Saldero. Saldero pass to Ramirez. Ramirez to Buko. Buko making his move to Saldero. Saldero pull up jumper. 2 points. Saldero. Gadong making his move. Gadong drives 2 points. Gadong.
Alex! Alex! Hey, bangkay mo!
Saldero. Pass to Aquino for 3. Masyado na sa rebound na kuha ngayon Mr. Machas. Machas pass to San Pedro for 3. Masyado na sa rebound na kuha ni Hosson. Seconds. Hosson. Pass to Aquino. Hindi pumasok tira, rebound na kuha ngayon Mr. Hosson. Hosson fires up, foul. Foul jersey number 25 sa Maniego. First personal foul. First team foul. Hindi pumasok ang pangalawa, rebound pa rin ni Hosson. 10 seconds. Intercepted by Majasi, comes Gadong, 2v1 situation. Gadong drives, 2 points. Seconds. Aquino block, rebound na Aquino pa rin. Aquino pass to 10 seconds. Saldero back to Aquino. 5. Buho pass inside. 24 shot clock violation. Gadong, pass to Bustos. Uy, di pumasok, rebound by Machas. Foul. Foul jersey number 215. Score natin ay 24-27, 3-point lead. Ramirez. 10 seconds. Pass to Hawthorne. Nice pass to Buko. 2 points. Buko. San Pedro for 3. Masyado malakas rebound by Aquino. Aquino pass to Hawthorne. Hawthorne pass to Aquino. Nice pass to Hawthorne. Nabitawan nga lang pala nakuha kayo ni Gadong. Gadong drives. Foul. Basket counted. Basket count. Foul. Jersey number 162. Hit. One shot. Took a one shot. Seconds. Ramirez pass to Buko. 10 seconds. Ramirez for 3. Hindi masok tira rebound. Nakuha ngayon ni Mr. Bustos. Machas. Short. Nakuha ngayon ni Mr. Saldero. Saldero pass to Buko. 2 points. Buko. Machas. San Pedro for 3. Wala pa rin. Foul, jersey number 56, Bustos, change 5. Magtibay! Hindi masok tira rin. Nakakuha kayo ng Mr. Ramirez. What? Angeles. Pass to Lopez. Lopez for 3. Masyado malakas. Baluyot, Florer. Hindi masok rebound by Magtibay. Nakakuha kayo ng Mr. Angeles. Pass to Tino. Angeles to Saldero, bumalik pa, kapalbot pa, wala pa rin rebound. Nakuha kayo ni Aquino. Aquino to Macaranas, for a cover, 2 points, Macaranas.
Paripoke, masyado nakahalata ka na.
De La Cruz, 15 seconds. De La Cruz, pass to Tino. Tino, pull up jumper, masyadong lakas. Rebound na ako ngayon ni Mr. Angeles. Baluyot. Baluyot drives up. Down. Foul jersey number 17.
Dapat kanina ba pinito ko passball?
Macaranas. Pass to Baluyot. Up. There's a reset. Foul jersey number 61, Saldero. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Macaranas for 3. Hindi masok din na rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Tino. Tino atake. Tino foul. Foul jersey number 69, Salazar. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Nasa online. Second row. Wala pa rin. Baluyot. Pass to Aquino for 3. Nag-rebound na ako ngayon. Baluyot pa rin. Baluyot fakes. Pass to Salazar. Nakakawin ka ngayon na maliit. Ito si Saldero. Pass to Tino. Intercepted by Aquino. Baluyot 2 points. Tama! Back to the ball game. Saldero. Pass to Lopez for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound na ako ngayon, Mr. Baluyot. Baluyot to Magtibay for 3. Bang! Magtibay 3. De La Cruz. Hindi mo sa pagkalayo-layo. Rebound na ako ni Salazar. Pass to Baluyot. Hindi mo sa pagkalayo-layo. Tayo mo tingin. Baluyot pa rin. Pass to Aquino. 10 seconds. Salazar, pull-up jumper. Hindi mo sa pagkalayo-layo. Baluyot pass to Lopez. Lopez, pass to Saldero. Saldero na ulat. Hindi mo sa pagkalayo-layo. Rebound ako ni Macaranas. Baluyot. 15 seconds. Baluyot, pass to wide open man. For 3. Hindi ko masang tira. Rebound na ako ngayon. Lopez. Lopez, atake. Short. Rebound Lopez pa rin. Lopez, put back. Wala pa rin. Angeles, 2 points. Angeles. Score na right, 29-38, 9-point lead. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Aquino. Pass to Baluyot. Baluyot to Macaranas. Macaranas, 5! There's a reset. Foul jersey number 230. Penalty situation. Masuk. Last row. Hindi pumasok. Rebound na ako ngayon ni Mr. Tino. Tino atake. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Rebound na ako ngayon ni Baluyot. Baluyot. Pass to Magtibay, 10 seconds. Magtibay to Aquino. Aquino for 3. Rebound na ako ni Baluyot. 10 seconds. Baluyot tumagtibay. Short rebound nakuha ngayon ni Mr. Saldero. Saldero to De La Cruz, 2 points. Last 25 seconds. De La Cruz, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Pull up jumper. Hindi masok ang tira. Last 5 seconds na. Kuha pa rin. 4 seconds. Balot. Traveling. Last 1.2 seconds. End of second quarter. Score na. San Pedro. San Pedro for 3. San Pedro 3. Coson pass to Manzano. 10 seconds. Manzano pass to go back to Manzano. Wala rebound. Put back Abrina. Wala pa rin rebound. Last matchup. Seconds na tabigan Abrina pa rin. Pass to Saldero. Masyadong malakas rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to San Pedro. Pass to Tino. Tino making his move. Tino foul. Foul jersey number 145. Push. 2 shots. First person foul. First team foul. Then second roll. Okay, making both. Score natin ay 36-39. 3-point lead for Team Ranier. Gonzalo zero screen to Saldero. Natapitan na ako ang mga chance. Pass to Gadong. 2v2 situation. Gadong pass to Tino. Tino back to Gadong. Gadong put up jumper. 2 points. Gadong. Seconds. Coson, natapitan na ako ngayon ng De La Cruz. Pass to Gadong. San Pedro pass to Machas. 2 points. Time out. Machas. Here comes Saldero, pull up jumper, 2 points, Saldero. Tino, pull up, hindi ba yung masok tira rin pa na ako ay Mr. Saldero. Wisa. Machas up, traveling violation. Aquino, intercepted na kuha ngayon, Mr. Pero si Mr. Gadong. Gadong block, but there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 49. Hit 2 shots for Gadong. Pumasok. Pedro. Hindi pumasok. Baluyot, pass to Aquino. San Pedro, hindi pumasok. Tira rebound na ako ang Delaware pass to San Pedro. De La Cruz, pass to Matias, pull up jumper, 2 points, Matias. Baluyot, guarded by San Pedro, foul. Foul, jersey number 45, push. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Baluyot, floater, 2 points. Baluyot. There's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 223. First personal foul, Hawson. De La Cruz, pass to Gadong. Gadong making his move. Gadong pass to San Pedro. In and out, rebound by Hawson. Hawson nagmabilis. Hawson pass to Saldero. Saldero drives. Hindi masok tira, rebound by Matias. Matias pass to Gadong. Gadong fires, 2 points. Gadong. It's 5 minutes and 45. Abrina to Hawson. Pass to Aquino. Back to Hawson. 15 seconds. Hawson for 3. Short. Rebound na ko ngayon. Team right. Ito sa Tino. 1v1 situation. Tino. Sumubong ang dress. Hindi masok. Rebound by Hawson. Aquino for 3. Aquino 3 points.
Battle of the referees. Puro referee naglalaro.
Oo nga. Puro referee nga naglalaro. 15 seconds. De La Cruz mo yung dress. Dumasang tira, rebound by Abrina. Abrina, pass to Hawson. Intercepted na ako ngayon ng Matias. Matias pass to Tino. Foul. Foul, jersey number 96. First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Palitan mo to, pasok mo si Poge. O referee na lahat. Tsaka yung isa.
Warning pa lang pa, warning. Substitution.
Ayan na. Ay, may pinasok pinalitan eh.
Baluyot out. San Pedro for 3. Short rebound by Aquino. Score na 3, 46-44. Here comes Saldero. Saldero to Aquino. Pass into the middle. Abrina, 2 points. Here comes Gadong. Gadong for 3. Gadong 3 points. Abrina. Pass to Aquino. 15 seconds. Aquino tumagtibay for 3. In and out. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Gadong. Pass break to Saldero. Dumasok tira rebound by Saldero. Abrina pulak. Dumasok rebound by Machas. Machas pass to De La Cruz. To San Pedro. 15 seconds. Pass to Gadong. Gadong block rebound ako. Gadong pa rin. Gadong pull up jumper. 2 points. Gadong. Change people. That's 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Abrina center screen. Pass to Magtibay fakes. Magtibay pass to Saldero. Foul.
Galing.
Foul jersey number 45. Hit 2 shots. Second personal foul, second team foul. Masuk. Second row. Hindi pumasok rebound na ako ngayon ni Abrina. Oy! Nakatangan. Score natin ay deadlock 49. Sosok sa ilalim, hit-block, rebound na ako ngayon na last touch. Black ball, ay white ball, white ball. Uy, tumama ka rin, nakuha ngayon Mr. Aquino. Aquino, pass to Hoson. Hoson, intercepted by De La Cruz, pass to Gadong. Gadong, foul. Foul, jersey number 85, Abrina. Third personal foul, penalty situation.
Wala kang makakuha ngayon.
Alam.
Puro sila, puro kami ang pag. Wala pa, second game, final lang.
Okay, pumasok. Score natin ay 50-49, 1 point lead for Team Brian. 15 seconds. Magtibay. Pass to Hoson. Hoson making his move. Hoson fires, no good. Rebound by Hoson. Hoson pa rin. Hoson, wala pa rin. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass break. Here comes Saldero, fakes. Saldero fires, wala pa rin. Rebound by Aquino. To Magtibay. Pass to Abrina, last 2 minutes. Saldero na iwan bukas. Hindi nga napasok nila rebound na kuha ngayon ni Magtibay for 3. Too strong rebound by Hoson. Hoson, fire, back up. Traveling violation. Substitution.
Kasi hindi mo pinipindot yung ano eh.
Lagi sa ganun. Substitution. Machas out. San Pedro out. Angeles. For 3. Wala pa rin rebound by Saldero. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Hoson. Wala si Seth. Hoson, foul. Foul jersey number 17, Lopez. Third personal foul, Lopez. 13 foul. Masuk. Sige, bro. Okay, pumasok ulit. Seconds. Here comes the dog, guarding by Abrina. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul ka doon?
Puro referee yan eh.
Nagtibay! Hindi ba sa tira rin ba nakakuha ngayon ni Saldero? Saldero, pass to Gadong. Gadong fires 2 points. Gadong! Hoson! Hindi ba sa tira rin ba nakakuha ngayon ni Cruz? Foul jersey number
Sub.
2-1-7 substitution. First personal foul, penalty substitution. Masuk muna. Second row. Okay, you can go. That's 35 seconds. Baloyot cross. Baloyot pop. Foul. Foul jersey number 61. Hit. Shots. So, okay, pumasok. That's 32 seconds. Running for the late the game, team block. That's 30 seconds. Timmy. Pass to De La Cruz. Oh, there's a reset. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Pull up chopper. Hindi masuk di rebound by Saldero. Put back 2 points. Saldero.
Abutas din.
5 seconds. Batibay! Score natin ay 53-56.
Ilagay na lang sa labas at tawagan yung sabihin na lang sa tanod.
15 seconds. Aquino for 3. Two strong rebound by Hoson. Hoson put back 2 points. Hoson!
Out!
De La Cruz pass to San Pedro. 15 seconds. San Pedro kick out. Rebound na kuha kayo ni Mr. Balut. Pass to Abrina. Abrina to Baluyot. Back to Abrina. 2 points. Abrina.
Patay.
2-3. Hindi pumasok ang tira. Rebound na kuha kayo ni Baluyot.
Gusto!
15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Baluyot kick out to Saldero. Bulong jumper. 2 points. Saldero. Just pass to De La Cruz. Score natin ay 56-59. 3-point lead. De La Cruz for 3. Hindi pumasok din ang rebound by Machas. Machas pass to Bustos. Bustos for 3. Bustos 3. Baluyot 15 seconds. Baluyot pass to Aquino. 10 seconds. Aquino pass inside. Abrina to Saldero. Nice pass. Oh, there's a missile. 3 seconds violation.
Lumabas siya eh. Lumabas eh. Oh!
Bustos. Uy. Kosong pass to Baluyot. Hindi masuk tira rebound dari De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Machas. Machas pass to San Pedro. At 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Score natin ay deadlock 59. 15 seconds. Saldero guarding by San Pedro. Pass to Abrina. To Baluyot. Baluyot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Hoson. Hoson to Saldero. Wala rebound by Machas. San Pedro. Pass to De La Cruz. Single. 17 seconds. 17 seconds. San Pedro pass to Gadong. Reverse block. Rebound up. Last touch. Last 12 seconds. San Pedro. Oh, double dribble. Aquino, nice pass. Awesome foul. Foul jersey number. Substitution. San Pedro out.
Lara pare, kulang ka sa red doon. Tumutula.
First team foul. Pumasok ang number 3.
Ano eh, kulang sa red doon.
Second throw. Hindi masok, rebound by Bustos. Score natin ay 60-59. Here comes Tino. Side steps, 2 points. Tino. Seconds. Saldero fakes. Pass to Baluyot. 10 seconds. To Aquino for 3. Aquino 3 points. Pass Machas. Machas pass to Gadong. Gadong bumawi ng tres. Hindi bumasok ang tira rebound by Aquino. Last 6 minutes. Here comes Saldero for 3. Oy! Air ball. Bustos. Bustos pass to Machas. Machas to Tino. Uy, natabigan na ako ngayon. Mr. De La Cruz, 10 seconds. Gatong making his move. Pull up jumper. Bumasok tira rebound by Bustos. Bustos, natabalan na ako ngayon. Tino, 10 seconds. Nakuha ni Hasan. Hasan pass to Aquino. Aquino for 3. Aquino 3 points. Alam ba ka ang moves? Seconds. Baluyot pass to Hasan for 3. Hindi mo sa katira rebound na kuha ngayon ng Machas. Machas pass to Tino. Tino making his move. Tino drives foul. Foul jersey number 217. Time out. Team. Sorry, dalawa pa po pala yung time out ng Team Brian. Dalawa. First up sila nag-time out sa akin. Pumasok ang isa. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Baluyot. 15 seconds. Pass to Baluyot. 2 points. Baluyot.
Ganda nun.
Tino guarded by 2. Tino nakawala. 2 points. Tino. Score na deny. 6-8, 6-4. 4-point lead para sa Team Ranier. 15 seconds. Pass to Hasan. Madrina, pass to Baluyot. 5 seconds. Baluyot for 3. Hindi bumasok tira rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Gadong. Gadong natabigan. Nakuha ngayon ni Mr. Baluyot. Saldero, 2 points. De La Cruz. Pass to Gadong. Gadong, nice pass to Saldero. Ay, niluwa pa ng ring na kuha ngayon. Mr. Baluyot. Abrina. Ito na lang, ito pala. Ito na yung isa na.
Inuwi ng aking dalaga.
Last 3 minutes. Score na tonight, 72-64. 8-point lead for Team Ranier.
Gamit ko doon.
Kala ko dito mo lang nabili yan.
Pinadala nila ng one. Noong punta ko doon
Tino. Tino, atake. Tino, fire. Short rebound by Aquino. Aquino, pass to Abrina. Fire. Counted. Foul jersey number 71. Hit to the head.
Iyak sir.
Hindi pumasok block. There's a missile.
Kalayo niya.
Foul jersey number 223. First team foul, second team foul.
Nung madidikit niya, binitaw ulit yung snake kamay.
Bustos. Bustos pass to Saldero. Saldero fires.
Saldero!
Who's fouled up? Foul jersey number. Sino po? 217. Baluyot. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots for Saldero. Hindi pumasok. Pumasok. Substitution.
Tapusin na. Ayaw na.
Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Baluyot. 15 seconds. Score now tonight 74-65. Aquino for 3. Too strongly by Machas. Machas pass. Ito na sa dito kay Saldero. Last 2 minutes, 10 seconds to shoot. Aquino for 3. Hit number 3 round by 10 seconds. 5. Hindi masok din ang nilangsang nakuha ngayon ni Bustos. Bustos pass to Tino. Oh, foul. Foul, jersey number 96, Saldero, second personal foul, volleyball penalty.
Hindi na tinawagin.
Bustos for 3. Wala rin foul na ako ni Hosson. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Baluyot for 3. No good rebound by De La Cruz. For 3. Hindi pumasok tira rebound by Aquino. Time out! Team Raniel.
Kaya isa na lang time out niya.
Seconds.
Madali lang yan eh.
Saldero Porter, 2 points, Saldero. And the preparation